What's up, mobile gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I drop tips, tricks, and cheats for all your favorite mobile titles. Today I've got something super useful to share, an easy hack method that lets you rack up unlimited gems in Hill Climb Racing 2. No PC, no weird stuff, and definitely no jailbreaking or rooting needed. I tested it out myself, and the gems popped up in my game right away. I'll walk you through the whole process. Step by step, it's super simple. Let's jump into it. All right, first up, we need your player ID. This is super important, so don't skip it. Just launch the Hill Climb Racing 2. Head over to your profile and you'll see Copy My ID button. Copy that down and you're ready for next step. Got it? Cool, let's move on. Now open up your browser, doesn't matter if it's Chrome, Safari, whatever, and head over to the site I'm using today. They've got all kinds of mods and hack tools for popular mobile games. Search for Hill Climb Racing 2, and once you find it, click through to the generator page. Pretty simple so far, right? On the generator page, there's a quick form to fill out. Choose your platform, iOS or Android, and then paste in that player ID you grabbed earlier. Double check everything's correct and then tap Connect. The tool will hook into your game account. Just give it a few seconds to sync up. Once you're connected, it's time to pick how much resources you want to generate. You'll see some options, pick the amount you want, then hit Generate button. You can always repeat the process later for more if you need it. Now the system starts doing its magic, connecting to servers, masking your data with proxies, all that behind the scenes techie stuff. It usually takes a minute or two. Almost done. Before the resources show up in your account, there's just one little verification step. This helps the tool stay secure and prevents bots from overloading it. It's super easy, usually just downloading and opening a free app from the store. They've even got video instructions if you need help. Follow the steps and you'll be through in no time. And just like that, your resources should be added to your account. I've already done this myself, so I'm not going to run through it again, but check out my resource. No more grinding for hours, now I can just play and enjoy the game without spending real money. And there you have it, the full hack tutorial. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your squad. Got stuck on a step? Drop a comment below. I check in pretty often and I'll try to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell so you don't miss the next guide or trick. Thanks for hanging out. Happy gaming. Catch you in the next gaming tutorial.